Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RTTR. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure with what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. So if you go there, I'll explain in detail. Nice movement today on this one, not only from the price action point of view, but you look down here at the volume and well above average volume on the day. So a lot of eyeballs on this one going forward. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk levels of resistance. So the first level of support is what I would call the ideal level. And if you say, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price could stay up here above 21 cents. Now, don't get me wrong, if the price falls below 21, I'm not saying the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay up above that level, that would definitely be a good, solid sign of strength going forward. Looking at things from more of an overarching standpoint, keep an eye on that purple line there, the 50-period moving average. And as time goes by, especially if the price stays above it, that line's going to level out. And then the key becomes when it starts to slope and work its way back upwards. And at that point in time, that is really the big signal that things have started to turn around. And then from that point forward, the ideal situation becomes, just staying above that purple line. Because as long as the price can stay above a line and that line itself is increasing, well, then by definition, that means the price is in an uptrend because it's staying above an increasing line. And that's what you want to see. But the key thing there is the price has at least got to stay above it. And if it stays above it long enough, then like I said, it'll flatten out and then eventually start to work its way back upwards. And at that point is when the bulls really start to, take back over. Now, as far as levels of resistance are concerned, let me squeeze down the chart here because there's definitely a very key level, and maybe you already are observing where this is, where there's definitely been a thorn in the side of the bulls as far as, the price just can't quite gain any traction whenever it gets up around this area. And that area is right up here at the 23-cent mark. If you go through the history of things, you can see that even today, rejected, rejected, rejected. So I'm not saying 23 cents can't be broken. I'm just saying that apparently, according to the story that's being told to us via the chart here, apparently the price is really going to need to bring it to A game if it's going to be able to fight above and then stay up above that 23-cent mark. So we'll see what happens with it going forward. But yeah, all in all, very, very impressive movement today. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.